Welcome. Inside one of America's most advanced tire manufacturing factory, USA car tires are made. From raw rubber to road-ready perfection.
Every car tire begins with carefully selected rubber and reinforcing materials. The manufacturing process starts in the raw material storage department.
Each ingredient is measured with extreme precision. The recipe determines the tire's final performance. The Banbury mixer blends rubber and chemicals under high pressure. Heat and pressure create a uniform rubber compound.
The freshly mixed compound reaches temperatures above 150 degrees Celsius. It must be cooled before further processing.
The compound is transformed into large rubber sheets. These sheets become the foundation of every tire component. Every rubber batch is tracked for quality and consistency. Traceability is essential in tire production. Steel wire forms the bead, the strongest part of the tire. The bead locks the tire securely onto the wheel. Each bead ring receives a protective rubber coating. This coating improves bonding during assembly.
Polyester fabric becomes the body ply of the tire. Rubber coating strengthens and protects the cords. Computer-controlled cutters prepare the body ply. Every angle and dimension must be exact. Steel cords give modern tires their strength and stability. They are embedded inside rubber sheets. Diagonal cuts create the belt layers that support the tread. The tread compound is extruded into its basic shape.
Cooling stabilizes the rubber before assembly.
Each tire size requires a specific tread length. Sidewalls protect the tire and display important markings. Identification markings are added during production. All components are now ready for assembly. The body ply becomes the inner structure of the tire. Steel bead rings are positioned with millimeter precision.
The body ply is wrapped around the bead rings to create a strong carcass foundation. This structure gives the tire its shape and strength. The sidewalls are added to protect the tire and provide flexibility. They also carry important identification markings. The tire carcass is inflated into its three-dimensional shape. This process prepares it for belt and tread installation. The first steel belt layer increases strength and stability. It helps the tire maintain its shape under heavy loads. The second steel belt creates a strong cross-ply reinforcement. This design improves handling and durability. The nylon cap ply stabilizes the steel belts at high speeds. It improves tire performance and safety. The tread is the final major component added to the green tire. It will later receive its pattern during curing. Before curing, every green tire is carefully inspected. Even small defects are detected at this stage. The uncured tire, called a green tire, is now fully assembled. It is ready for the most important stage, vulcanization. Green tires enter the curing department, where heat transforms rubber forever. Here, the tire gains its final shape and tread pattern. The curing press is the heart of tire manufacturing. This machine uses heat and pressure to transform soft rubber into a finished tire.
An inflatable bladder pushes the tire outward against the mold. This ensures every detail is perfectly formed.
High temperature and pressure trigger the vulcanization process. The rubber molecules begin forming strong chemical bonds. The green tire is precisely positioned inside the mold. Every millimeter of alignment is critical for perfect curing. During vulcanization, the rubber permanently changes its structure. The soft compound becomes strong, elastic, and durable. The mold shapes every groove and tread block. These patterns are essential for grip and water evacuation. The mold also creates all sidewall lettering and branding. Every marking becomes a permanent part of the tire. Pressure and temperature are constantly monitored. Precise control ensures every tire cures identically. The tire's internal structure is now reaching its final strength. The once soft green tire has become a finished engineered product.
The vulcanization cycle is complete. The curing press is ready to reveal the finished tire.
The curing process is complete, and the tire has gained its final shape. For the first time, the finished tread pattern becomes visible. The tire is still extremely hot after vulcanization. It must be handled carefully before inspection.
Cooling stabilizes the tire and prepares it for quality inspection. The rubber gradually reaches its final operating condition.
Controlled cooling prevents deformation and maintains dimensional accuracy. The tire is now ready for detailed inspections. Every tire undergoes a careful visual examination. Inspectors look for surface imperfections and molding defects. Any excess rubber left by the molding process is removed. This gives the tire a clean, finished appearance. X-ray technology allows inspectors to see inside the tire. Hidden defects can be detected without damaging the product.
Computerized systems verify every critical dimension. Diameter, width, and roundness must meet strict specifications.
The next stage measures how smoothly the tire performs while rotating. Uniformity testing ensures comfort, safety, and reliability. Software checks the alignment of every reinforcing component. Even tiny deviations can affect performance. The tire is spun at high speed to simulate real driving conditions. Sensors detect even the smallest irregularities. Advanced software measures balance and uniformity. Perfect balance ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. Any tire that does not meet specifications is removed immediately. Only perfect products continue to the next stage. Each approved tire receives a unique identification code. This allows complete traceability throughout its lifetime. Barcodes store important production information. They help track every tire through shipping and distribution. Inspectors verify that every marking is clear and accurate. Even minor cosmetic defects are carefully checked. The tire is inflated to verify its structural integrity. Engineers ensure it can safely retain air pressure. A final inspection confirms the tire meets every requirement. Only fully approved tires can carry the factory's quality seal. Before packaging, every tire is carefully cleaned. This ensures a perfect appearance and removes any remaining debris. A protective coating preserves the rubber during storage and transportation. It also enhances the tire's final appearance.
Finished tires are automatically organized for handling. Automation improves efficiency and reduces manual labor.
Palletizing systems prepare the tires for warehouse storage. Each pallet contains tires of identical specifications.
The finished tires are now ready for warehouse storage. Efficient logistics keep production moving smoothly.
Thousands of finished tires are stored before shipment. Every tire is carefully organized for quick distribution. Digital inventory systems track every tire in real time. This ensures complete traceability and efficient shipping. Customer orders determine how the tires are packaged and shipped. Every order is prepared according to destination requirements.
Protective wrapping keeps the tires clean during transportation. It also prevents damage during handling.
The finished tires are now fully prepared for distribution. The next step is transporting them to customers around the world.
The shipping pallets are wrapped to keep the tires secure during transport. Proper packaging prevents movement and protects the products.
The shipping pallets are wrapped to keep the tires secure during transport. Proper packaging prevents movement and protects the products. Forklifts transport the finished tires to the shipping department. Efficient logistics ensure rapid delivery to customers. The finished tires are loaded onto trucks for distribution. Every shipment is carefully organized to maximize transport efficiency. The shipment is sealed to ensure safe transportation. Security measures protect the products during transit. The finished tires leave the factory and begin their journey to customers. From here, they travel across the country and around the world.
The tires are distributed through warehouses and retail networks. They are now ready to reach drivers everywhere.
The finished tire is finally installed onto a vehicle wheel. The manufacturing journey is nearly complete. After an incredible manufacturing journey, the tire finally performs its purpose. From raw rubber to the open road, this is how modern USA car tires are made. Every rotation demonstrates the precision engineering hidden inside the tire. Thousands of components work together to deliver safety and performance. Inside every tire is a complex multi-layer structure. Each layer serves a specific purpose in strength, comfort, and durability.
The finished tire is engineered to perform at high speeds. Advanced construction provides stability and control.
The tread pattern is carefully engineered for grip and water evacuation. Its design helps maintain traction in changing road conditions.
The tread channels help reduce the risk of hydroplaning.
Efficient water evacuation improves wet road safety.
Modern tires undergo rigorous durability testing. Only the strongest designs reach the market.
This enormous factory combines automation, engineering, and skilled workers. Millions of tires are produced here every year. Every tire represents the work of engineers, technicians, and factory operators. Teamwork and precision make large-scale production possible. From raw rubber and steel to a high-performance engineering product, this is how modern USA car tires are made.